My name is Shamita and this is
Ishan.
and we're from This Is.
Bro, Club.
Okay guys, today we are joined by our friends
All of these guys,
Anu, Sadhvi and Vishalini.
all of them are dumb. Just to say, all of them are dumb.
See, you're not dumb. You're the only dumb here.
See, I'm walking like a ghost.
Okay, so today we are going to be playing Among Us.
Among Us, the most famous game in the world.
Right now famous. So how this game works is it's a game of 5 to 10 people and we each can be imposter
Teamwork
or
and betrayal.
crewmate.
Yep.
In this game there are 2 imposters. We don't know
Yep.
who is who right now. And the imposters have to kill the crewmates and the crewmates have to figure out who the imposters are while doing tasks.
This is right. Again.
Okay, so one guy called Ninja joined. This is all public. Only the 5 of us are friends. Other guys are public.
So guys, the game has started and I'm a dumb crewmate.
And I am a crewmate, as you can see. And there are 2 imposters among us. So the crewmate is basically has to do tasks.
So let's go do these tasks and not die.
And we should try not to be killed by idiotic imposters.
This ninja, I don't trust him. I have one task over here. Okay, they locked the doors. Wow.
Oh my god. And the work of the imposter is usually like they have to sabotage stuff. I reported a dead body.
Where?
So Vishalini is dead.
Yeah, so where is it, Ishan?
I saw it on electrical.
So Black was with me.
Okay, so this guy ninja was with me.
I was in specimen room.
No, I think it's who was the nearest to the electric? Who sabotaged it first?
No, ninja
How
was with
would we
me.
know? I think it's Ishan.
And I think the dark blue guy was also with me. I don't know. Skipping what?
Did
I'm
you
skipping.
see anyone near?
I'm skipping.
I'm skipping, bro.
Let's not kill any innocents
Ishan,
here.
vote.
Okay, I have a suspicion of the black
Why is he
guy.
talking about imposter?
That is true.
I was talking about both of them. I was talking about the imposter and how to be a crewmate.
Okay, so guys, I am right now going to fix surgical. This is where the dead body was found. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so we somehow fixed it after all this time and okay, shoot, it's locked. Okay, I don't trust Stevie over here. Stevie.
You know that I'm a crewmate and I'm not the killer. I'm not the imposter, but Shamita and our friends are suspecting that I am the imposter, which is seriously so bad because I am not the imposter. And one guy called Hahaha voted for me. I suspect him. Dude, who killed that body and who reported it?
Okay, so the body was, it was like to the right of the weapons, outside the weapons, and Black was nearby. He was in communications and he came out.
I saw somebody doing
I
weapons
suspect
task. I saw the weapons like
But-
bullets going.
Ishan was also in the path.
No, I was in admin. I came back to admin.
I'm voting black.
Like it's Black,
I'm
but
voting
I'm
Black.
skipping because I don't know.
I'm voting black.
Oh, okay, guys, it's a close vote, and I voted black because like he was near me. You guys saw that he was near me at the electricals.
What?
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 Sadhvi got voted out. How? Who voted her out?
Sadhvi.
Oh god. Are you the imposter, Sadhvi?
Is she the imposter? She's not.
I knew it was she.
I didn't think it was her.
I really knew it.
This guy, I suspect this guy. Like, why are you running away, mate? I'm just gonna follow him and see what suspicious and killer work he does. Let's just see. Stop, Karan! Why are you doing this? My room curtain. Seriously, not.
Did you see? She did. Anu teleported. Anu literally teleported. Who is doing this task now? Wait, nobody's. How is it? Does that happen? Does this thing just go on like that when nobody's even doing anything?
We should convince our friends and the other guys that Black is the imposter, because if they vote me out, I might not get the victory, and I'm not the imposter. And why should I hold this curtain all the time? Get lost, curtain.
I'm going to this side. Ooh, Stevie! No, Stevie! I don't trust Stevie. Don't. Stevie? Ah! Okay, I don't think it's Stevie. He would have killed me by now. It's not Stevie.
Again, lights.
Again? Fix the dumb lights again.
Is here. Even my sister Shamita is here. Okay, go, Karan. Oh, all of them are here.
Okay, I only have one more task left, which is good, and we have like how many? 1.5 bars to fill to win. Why is Ishan going down here? Hey. Stop! Ishan, I have a big suspicion on Ishan now. Really huge. Okay, I hate this task. I hate this task right here. I hate it. Come on. I hate it so much.
Oh my god, guys. Okay, this guy called Stevie is here. Oh my god. Stevie killed me. Stevie killed me, guys. He was the imposter. You just saw that. Stevie and Lagby Key. Both of the guys are imposters, and we died. We defeated. Oh my god.
I knew it was Stevie. I knew it. He was following me like
He was
a
sabotaging it like literally.
Stevie was following me.
First game was so bad. It was really bad, and I don't like to blame the curtain because it really was a curtain. My dream of this game is to get imposter and win the game. Okay, tip number 1 of the dream is fail. I'm a crewmate again. So keep out for the imposter, do tasks. That's my job again. And curtain, shut up.
So guys, the next game has started, and I'm excited. Okay, so Savi is here. Let me gain some trust first, or should I kill? Let's just...
Yeah. So close. Yeah. Yes, I did it.
If anybody's nearby, let's just check if anybody's nearby. No, everybody's in laboratory and everything. Okay, I hope she didn't leave. Okay. Did you kill? Did she kill? Why did she disappear?
Labs. Okay. Yep. Completed. Oh my god. Who's this guy? Dude, I really think it's him because I've seen many Among Us videos and they tell this is the best place to kill.
Okay, we're going to specimen room right now. This is like a great killing area, but
so I'm a little scared. And see, everyone is here. Even Vishali and Anu was there. And even my sister Shamita and this guy called You Fool I and this guy called who knows what his name is.
little party down here. Little party. Oh my god. If one person leaves, I can kill. Double kill. Can do double kill. Please leave. Ishan, leave. Ishan, leave. Yes.
I'm getting out of this room. Get out. I don't want to be killed right now, please.
Yes. Double kill, which is not a fail for the first time. Oh my freaking gosh. There are a lot of people saw us. If somebody goes to specimen right now, we are... Can I do double kill?
So let me just check the vitals. The vitals are like, we can see where like, are people dead or not? 2 people dead.
Can we do No, 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 no. Okay, wow, wow, wow. I should not have done that. I shouldn't 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 have done that. Amazing, Vishali, amazing. Okay, that was a really good tactic. That was a great tactic. I shouldn't have killed that guy, but nobody saw. Whoa, nobody saw.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
And this is just the start of the game. And how did he kill 2 people? Oh my god. Oh my god. Waiting for second user. Yep. Thank you. 2 people are dead. Knew it. Okay.
Kill her. Kill her. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, good, we didn't kill her actually. Oh my god.
In the lab, I feel it's Vishali and Shamita always roaming together. Shamita always goes with Dada and Costa.
No, I saw.
I think it's
I always go with people.
Sadhvi did medbay scan.
I always go with people so I don't die. I went with Vishali so I don't die.
Wait, if it was like Shamita or Meena, we like.
So guys, you're not Shamita or you.
I feel like it's dark green because I was inside the specimen and I came out, and then dark green was coming from the other side.
Ran away.
Who was
I
chasing
feel
you?
Shamita
But I
and Vishali.
feel
No, I was going around because
Ishan was also next to it.
no, I didn't trust Vishali. I didn't know if I should trust her, so I wanted somebody to come in 7 seconds literally.
I feel like it's
Okay,
dark green. So
I'm gonna skip.
I didn't want to I didn't know if I should trust her, so I wanted some company like Anu. But then that's why I was following you, but you just left, so I just went with Vishali.
So guys, literally like the guy called Delhi Kiki, you see this guy, the Delhi Kiki, he left, so he doesn't count as a dead guy. Youthful Eye and Arj, they both were dead guys, and who killed him? That is the main clue. Who should I vote? Well, I'm skipping it, guys.
Guys, that was close. Anu knows. Like, she knows what's up. She knows. So, I'm gonna wait for this kill cooldown to go and then... I don't know. I cannot believe that nobody saw me kill him. I thought we were going to do a double kill as well. She didn't double kill. And still nobody saw me killing him. Sadhvi didn't see. She was right there doing the med-based scan and she didn't even see.
Okay, all of our friends are alive. There's only one person in all of our friends. Why is she following me?
Lucky. Okay, I have my kill cooldown is gone, so now I can kill. Where do I go? Where do I go? I'm coming. I have to kill Anu first.
Okay. I think it's one of our friends, guys, because only both of them are alive. Oh my god, she's following me. Anu, please, Anu, don't kill me. There's one more guy dead and we need to report his body before anybody does more killing. They might even kill me. Me.
Yes. Oh my god. I am checking security.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Ishu boy is going to do emergency meeting. No, he went back.
Again. No, it's lights. Somebody might kill me. It's lights. No. Please. I'm fixing it.
I can't kill you, Ishan, even though I want to. Kill him! Kill him! No, don't. This okay is right there.
Yes. Let's go. Nobody kill me at last.
There was a body.
Where?
Hey, I saw okay out of electrical. When we were fixing the lights.
And
Dude, I feel like it's okay.
Me, Ishan,
Because
and
when I saw Anu dead,
Just vote for O.
no, me,
I
Ishan, and
feel like Anu
Vishali.
would have died in the specimen room, and OK went behind Anu. So
Who reported? Oh, okay, reported.
Shamita.
Okay, only reported because wait, you, me, and Ishan were doing the electrical.
Yeah, and he was outside electrical.
Yeah.
He was not there. I saw him outside electrical. He wasn't trying to help.
I know.
Okay, vote for OK. Just vote for OK. Just vote for OK. Vote for OK. Let's see if he's the imposter. He's not the imposter. It's one of our friends, and I'm running away.
That was so good. That double kill was.
Oh my god, guys. Shamita and Bishalini, two best friends, planning us and making it.
This is the first time.
Because I know when they lie. I know they're lying and nobody even listens to me.
That's why I killed you first, Anu.
I literally knew it's simply stupid Sadhvi and Ishan.
I wanted to kill Ishan during the tech slides, but I didn't.
Did Shamita at the lab, did you kill the guy
Ish.
near the thin telescope?
Yeah.
Yes, I thought we could do double kill.
I could see.
told you the exact call. I
Shamita
knew it was
thinking,
Shamita and Vishali
but then-
from the start.
So, guys, dream game tip 1 and tip 2 failed. Not becoming the imposter and not getting a victory. So, both of them failed. I wish to get the 2 tips in game 3, and I want it to be the dream game. Nice speech from Ishan Sridhar.